my channel. Hey girl, hey. So today is Wednesday. Happy hump day to all of you out there in the YouTube community and whoever's watching this video. I hope your hump day is going well. And we are almost to the weekend, y'all. I'm so excited about this weekend. I cannot wait till the weekend, so that way we can have some family fun time and my husband can be included too because he's been working all week. But anyway, you guys, today we are going to try to go to the pool. We have been going to the pool for the last couple of days this past week, and we have been having a blast at the pool. So hopefully we can get there today. It's been raining off and on all morning, so hopefully we can get to the pool today. But right now I'm about to finish tidying up the room, and I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy the weekly vlog this week. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Hopefully we'll be at the pool by then.
Is my place, no, my place is your place, let's face it.
Hey y'all, happy Friday. So I'm stopping in on here on a Friday. I know we didn't skip all the way to Friday, but anyway, I accidentally deleted my intro for Thursday. So these next clips you're gonna see is on a Thursday. I got up super duper early in the morning, and then tidying up the kitchen from earlier that morning, and then I proceeded to start cleaning my pantry. I'm trying to remember everything that I shared with you in that clip. Oh, Wednesday, I didn't film anymore, vlog anymore on Wednesday because we got back from the pool super duper late, and I had to hurry up and get dinner started because our nighttime routine starts at 7 o'clock. So we didn't get back to the pool till almost 4:30. So yeah, these next clips you're gonna see is from Thursday. Okay guys, so I went ahead and made the kids lunch. Now I had to do a voiceover over this clip because I don't know, sometimes when I record on my phone, honey, and I go to speak, it's really low and then it gets louder. But anyway, the kids were having rice cake, pan-seared habit. I hope I'm pronouncing that fish right. And they had spinach with pickles. They loved that. I don't know why, but okay, I gave it to them because that's what they wanted. And then they had yogurt, peaches, blueberries, and raspberries. And then I just let them sit down and eat, and then I proceeded to start cleaning out the pantry, and that pantry cleaning video will be out this week, so stay tuned for that. Yes, I did a shameless plug, and I'm not ashamed about it. fam. Happy Saturday. Come on, give your favorite auntie, cousin a hug.
Okay.
Anyway, y'all, I woke up feeling great this morning. It is Saturday. The sun is out. I hope you guys woke up feeling great too. I mean, I'm just feeling marvelous. Thank you, Jesus, for waking up feeling joyous and ready for the day. So I have a lot to do today. My son needs to get a haircut. I probably need to redo his braids. And we got to finish out some odds and ends shopping for my sister's wedding and find my daughter a dress. So I'm going to take you guys with me, and we're about to get this Saturday started. Okay guys, I apologize, but the store was really dim, so this clip is going to look a little yellow, but I'm just going to let y'all check out some of the shoes and the dresses while I wait to try on my dress and wait for her to give me a room. On our way inside the mall. See if we can find some shoes and a dress for Mimi. So I'll see y'all when we get inside. Okay, y'all, I could not find a dress whatsoever in my daughter's size, but they did have some really super duper cute outfits that I would totally get her just to wear. But you guys, at this point, I was tired. I was ready to go. So I was like, we're just going to call it another day and try again next weekend. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in and hanging out with your girl and showing my channel some love. And to all my new subscribers, thank you for being part of my YouTube fam bam. Make sure you give this video a like, you guys. That really helps my channel. That really helps my channel get pushed out and other people can see it, and it will help my channel grow. But yeah, I hope you guys had a great weekend. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace and blessings, y'all. Bye bye.